Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a wonderful halwa recipe. This is Kashi Halwa. Now this particular halwa belongs to the Mangalorean cuisine and it's made with ash gourd. Now I can't tell you how delicious this halwa is. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the halwa, first we're going to roast some cashew and raisins. To a pan, add a little ghee, add a few cashew nuts, roast them till they're a lovely golden brown color. Remove them from the pan and keep it aside. To the same pan, add a few raisins, roast them till they nicely plump up, remove them from the pan and keep it aside. For this recipe, I've taken a medium-sized ash gourd. Cut the vegetable, remove all the seeds from inside. I'm just going to grate the ash gourd. So we'll need at least about 3 cups to make this halwa. So I've pretty much used the entire ash gourd for this particular recipe. So after grating, I've got about 3.5 cups. Using a sieve, strain the water from the grated ash gourd. Don't squeeze out too much. You don't want it too dry. You need a little bit of moisture for the vegetable to cook. To a nice white pan, add the grated ash gourd. Just saute it on medium-low flame. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the vegetable to cook. So if you feel the vegetable is taking longer, close the saucepan and cook on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after the vegetable is completely cooked, I'm adding about 1 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sweetness depending on the quantity of the ash gourd and your taste. Just mix that all in. Next, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix that in. So you can see the sugars completely dissolved. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix that in. Now I'm adding the yellow food coloring. Now it's up to you if you want to use the food coloring or not. Adding the food coloring will just make the halwa all the more vibrant and colorful. Once that's all blended in, add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Mix that in. Finally, I'm going to add another tablespoon of ghee. Just mix that in to finish off the halwa. You can add a little extra ghee because it's going to make the halwa all the more tastier and richer. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious Kashi Halwa or the ash gourd halwa as we all know it. It's super easy. You can see how simple these steps are and it's very quick to make. You can serve this delicious halwa nice and warm and it makes for a perfect dessert after a nice big meal. I've made other halwa recipes. I'll give a couple of links in the description. You can check them out as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The ingredients for this recipe are pretty simple and they're very minimal. The process also is not very complicated. So if you're looking to make something really simple, nice and special for a nice special occasion, I would recommend this halwa. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.